He will have his leg amputated, and then he will be handed over to Russia.
Again? Wow. I don't know if you can just help me and go back to my country. If I go back to Russia, I don't know what to do again. But if I can just go back to my country, I'll be happy because I don't know that this is what I'll come across. I don't know. I was just thinking that I will come to work as a mechanic. That's what I thought. But don't knowing that I'm going to find myself in this.
In Nigeria, he faces 12 years in prison for mercenary work and participating in combat in a foreign country.
I don't know about this. I don't know.
I always like these moments. In fact, I apologize to the translator, but these bastards are no different from other bastards who came to kill us. I apologize.